Yes, hi guys. Just a few seconds, guys. Yeah, perfect, ma. Actually, yeah, the schedule which the scheduled video, some technical issue is there. So again, I changed the link. Yes, ma. Okay. So please come back to this particular one. Day 6 target. See, day 6 target means, day 6 target, day 6 of the mentorship program. By the way, 5 days is completed. Yes, 5 days is completed. And let's review what are all we finished in this 5 days and all that. Before today, the important thing that you need to learn is you have to be honest, you have to be sincere in whatever you are doing. The most important thing for your success in life is honesty and sincerity. This is what even in a movie Dragon, where Pradeep Ranganathan actor has acted, no, Dragon movie, this is what they show. Sincerity, the truth, foundation, trust, loyalty, that is most important. If that is not there, no matter how big your empire, one day everything will collapse. When you are studying, when you are in employment, when you are in business, everywhere, discipline, commitment, these are utmost important things. Whatever you are doing, never try to manage, never try to manipulate anybody. Be honest. So even now you are doing studies, right? Day 6, day 5, all these 5 days, you are studying for your own success tomorrow. Remember, you don't cheat yourself, don't manipulate yourself. Okay, tomorrow I will study better, day after I will study tomorrow better. No, don't do that, don't do that. Okay, study, follow the schedule, trust in the process, trust in the process. Result is just a byproduct, result is just a byproduct. I'm telling you, it is a very easy thing for you to qualify, provided you are grinded in the 35 days. You are grinded this 35-40 days. Next 35-40 days, work hard. Naturally result will be easier, result will be qualified. Okay, next. Now now so how is your day 4 and day 5 targets? Like, of course, day 5 is already completed. Today is day 5 as per mentorship program. How is your day 4 and how is your day 5? Now look at, like, what are all the day 4 targets? First of all, day 4 cash flow statement is there. This is yesterday's target. Today is day 5, tomorrow is day 6. Remember, in the program, today is day 5 and yesterday day 4 review, and planning day 6, tomorrow's, what to do. Now look at, so cash flow statement, accounts, I think predominantly you completed yesterday. GST supply topic is over with yesterday. Day 5 today, as per the schedule, today you are supposed to follow day 5, things. What are there? Cash flow will be over today. If at all you are following from past 5 days the program correctly, by today day 5 you are completing how many? What are the chapters? Preparation of financial statements, which is 40, which is minimum 15 to 20 marks weightage. Cash flow statement, which is 6 to 8 marks minimum weightage. 25 to close to 28 marks worth of portion you completed. And now today you are supposed to start buyback, you are supposed to start watching buyback classes. Yes or no? So buyback, and remember, buyback classes will also be predominantly over by today itself. Tomorrow there are just 3 more videos, hardly less than half an hour. Predominant buyback chapter will also be completed as per the schedule given. Third chapter, which is minimum another 5 to 6 marks weightage. In the recent September attempt, I think 3 MCQs came on buyback. I guess so on buyback some 3 MCQs came. 6 marks or 8 marks questions came approximately on buyback itself. See how powerful the buyback chapter. Small but very powerful, high scoring topic. Yes or no? So just you know complete the buyback topic as well. Okay, then registration. I hope registration 1 and 2 videos are completed. And tomorrow day 6 target, now I'm going to tell, right? If you follow tomorrow also, registration will also be over. Supply is over, registration is over. Too easily, supply chapter will be minimum 5 to 10 marks, registration will be minimum 5 marks. See, two important chapters in GST out of 50, 20% over. So that's why stick to the schedule, don't deviate at all, stick to the schedule. Okay, now look at, so this is what day 4 and day 5, and I hope every one of you have successfully completed group 1 day 4. I'll come to group 2, wait. Okay, now group 2, for group 2 students, day 4 what? ABC costing over. Yesterday you are supposed to complete ABC costing, and day 4 yesterday you have started ethics and in terms of engagement, which is a 10 marks chapter. Then today target costing material cost. Material cost also, major chapter will be over. In our EO Smart, major chapter will be over. Ganesh sir will handle this class fantastic, guys. Look at the material, look at the class. Please be sincere. Now day 5 again, auditing. Today I hope you completed this ethics and terms of engagement up to skepticism. Ethics portion will be over. Engagement at 210, terms of engagement will start. That also predominantly will be over. I hope you completed this successfully. Guys, I want you to be genuine here. I want you to put genuine efforts. Don't expect result without working. First work, the result automatically comes. Will I qualify? Will I qualify? Will this work? No, first work. Let us work. Okay, next. Now I want to know few more before I talk about day 6 target. I want to know few more things, like how is your sleep in the past 5 days. How did you have you slept properly? Like, sleep is the most important thing. Even in day 2 mentorship program, day 2 video, I clearly mentioned at what time you should sleep, at what time you should wake up, so that you will be most energetic. In fact, my sleep time is also coming now. Okay, I have to sleep by 11 o'clock. Next. Now then, are there any issues that you're facing with preparation, like in the sense somehow you're unable to complete the target? Why you are unable to complete the target? By the way, below this video, comment everybody whether you completed until day 5 the targets or not. If not completed, why you are unable to complete? Genuine reason you comment. If you wasted time, admit that you wasted time. And if at all you're unable to focus, why you're unable to focus, just comment. If possible, I will make some motivation video or some solution video I will do on that. Okay, that's it. So any issues with preparation, sleep cycle, all that. Now finally the day 6 target. Clearly I will tell you what exactly you're supposed to do on day 6. Look at in group 1, day 6. If you focus on day 6 tomorrow, if you continuously be alert tomorrow, if at all you're investing 7 hours, group 1 students or both the group students, just 7 hours, you are finishing buyback. Sai Babu sir would have done excellently. He would have dealt with buyback like anything, and I'm sure many of you would have learned new points for sure. Just comment below whether you learned new points or not. Now after enrolling with Srestha, are you learning the true subject or not? Just let me know, because I'm eagerly waiting for all of you, whoever is following this. I want you to comment what new points that you're learning. And tomorrow you're going to start amalgamation. Oh my god, another 12 marks minimum weightage, 12 to 14 marks minimum weightage. Amalgamation you're going to start, and amalgamation will be completed by day 9. Yeah, see, a big chapter you're going to complete. Tomorrow you're going to start, and day after tomorrow, that day after tomorrow, you're going to finish it. So tomorrow amalgamation, 4 hour 20 minutes you're supposed to watch. And in GST, okay, sorry, here amalgamation approximately some 3.5 hours you're supposed to watch. 3 hour 15 minutes, 3 hour 20 minutes. And GST registration chapter will be over tomorrow, and tomorrow you're going to start which chapter? Composition levy. That also will be over. Then you are going to start charge of GST. Trust me guys, our course duration is very less, not because we are skipping any content, nothing. We worked behind a lot to bring the course duration to a lesser time, where we will give you impactful content, 100% coverage in the shortest time. That is only possible because of the tremendous effort which we did behind. A football player, Ronaldo, okay, or Messi, when you see how easily he hit the shot, how quickly he hit the shot, how quickly he hit the goal. He is so quick in hitting the goal because you have not seen sleepless nights that he practiced behind. This is the same way our classes duration are very compact, because we made it so compact, so beautiful, 100% coverage, everything, because we spent so many days and so many nights making and refining our materials, refining our own content, refining our own way of explanation, articulation, and made it shorter. I hope those who already started watching the class would acknowledge this. Earlier you might have spent so many hours at some other academies, and today after you coming to Sesta with less number of hours, you're able to experience more content, more clarity, more problem solving, still with less number of hours. Am I right or not? Just tell me honestly. Next. So day 6 target: registration, composition, and charge, and accounts, buyback, and amalgamation. Then whereas coming to group 2 students, day 5, I hope you have completed. I'm ticking day 5. And day 6, what is the target? Material cost will be, sorry, day 6 here is a break. Okay. For group 2 students, enjoy. Your break is tomorrow. For group 2, no, for every 5 days once there is a break, I guess. Yeah. Every 5 days once there is a break, because you don't have to work every 7 days once. Every 5 days once there is a break. 5 days and 6th day break. Again, 12th day break. So like that, okay, you just follow. So tomorrow is break for group 2 students. Happily enjoy. And those of you who could not finish the target in the past 5 days, pending targets, try to finish tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Then for group 1 students, the break will be day after tomorrow. I can't do anything. For group 2 to group 1 students, day after tomorrow is day 7 is break. So tomorrow day 6 video, I am talking about day 7, right? I will tell you clearly break. I won't give any guidance for day 7. Day 7 you take a break only. Those of you who really followed in the past 6 days only, tomorrow, then only, if tomorrow also successfully complete, then only day 7 break. If at all you didn't complete successfully, no break. Break cancelled. Okay, that's it. And somebody is asking, by the way, before I answer all the comments, yes, day 6, sorry, day 5 is over. Now day 6 is pending. Tomorrow I hope you will complete this, fulfill it, and come back and tell me that yes sir, day 6 is successfully completed, please. Now let me look at your many queries. Some student, the Divish, sir, I have written my September 25 foundation exam, sure of clearing it. Any batches you have for September? Of course, Dinesh. From November 1st week onwards, we are starting new CA Inter regular batch, which will be even more powerful than whatever we already have. Okay, so yes, it will be there. Schedule I will announce it in October 2nd week or 3rd week. Okay, then 3/4 strategy along with schedule for CA final. CA final, very tough, Pavitra, because no, I only deal with audit now. I'm starting my direct tax work in next month, so I cannot comment on other subjects without complete knowledge on CA final. Then articleship plays a big role in finding jobs in corporates. Yes, articleship plays a major role, so that your interview performance will be so good, so that the recruitment possibility will be very high. Okay, sir, unrelated, is giving observations of CA exams have negative impact on my result. No, nothing ma, not at all, because the entire admin people who are handling is different, the entire exam department, the entire valuation department, everything is independent of each other, so there is no possibility of impact on valuation. Then there is another student, sir, for May 26, any changes in your books for group 2? Group 2 books are absolutely same, no changes at all. ICAI itself did not change any book. All 6 subjects except tax, all 5 subjects, remaining 5 subjects, I say just reprinted. So no changes at all for May 2026, September 2026, Jan 2027 for 5 subjects. Okay, in entire CA Inter, only tax changes were there. That's it. Okay. Somebody replied, hope your morning video was very impactful as many students were confused. Yes, I'm telling you guys, important lesson in life. Many will have their own hidden agendas, and many will pretend that they are honest, humble, hardworking for you people. They'll be working for you. They'll be claiming all that. But the reality can be found when you go in depth into their work. You just check in depth into their work. You will find who they are. You just check their material, compare with ICA material, compare with our material. You check their accounts material. You check their law material. You check their tax material. I bet you will find so many missing points, so much of my, trust me. I can comment this, I would have made this video long back, but I was mum. Even though they're mocking me, I kept quiet, only because one day I will always stay silent, and I will only answer when I'm going to say checkmate. That's it. And one important lesson, people till now, there are so many people who tried to spoil my reputation with lies, and I spoiled their reputation with truth. That's it. No ma, however lies you try to spoil, whatever lies you use, whatever fake things you use to spoil my reputation, for me I don't have to lie. I just, a simple truth is enough to destroy them. Important lesson to learn. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, take care, all the very best.